Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good in your life. So in this video, I'm going to be answering the most asked question related to data analytics field, which is coding really required to become a data analyst? So my answer is no. You need to be really good at SQL. That's all you need. Other tools are also required and that I've already covered in other videos, but you don't need to be really good at coding, which is you need to be really good at oops in Java or in Python or any of the languages which require you to learn DSA. So that is not at all required. And coming to Python, like most of you ask whether Python is required or not to become a data analyst. So I'd say no, because if you go on and search on naukri.com, so most of the profiles which are data analytics profile, so therein you will see that Python is treated as optional, and in the 90% of the jobs you won't find Python there for the data analytics profile. So I'd say Python is required, but not in every single profile of data analysis or data analytics field. So yeah, so this is my answer to it. And if you are like a data analyst like me, so you will be mostly working on like cleaning the data or on a cloud platform, or you will be working like I work on salesforce.com. So therein I get a lot of data related to consumer orders and all of that. Then I took out that data, and then we work on SQL, like getting the orders from DB, or getting the different requirements that are required. Or I work on merges, like merging on two accounts in the Salesforce. So I if you're not from this field, it will be little bit trickier to understand. But the thing is that you don't need to be good in coding or any language to become a data analyst. The purpose of this video is just that. So if you are someone who is really scared of coding and you are like confused whether to go or not, so I'd say this one is something that is easier for you to go through, because of the obvious fact that it does not require much of coding. It only required your analytical skills, how well you visualize something, or how well you solve certain kind of problems. Such as if you are given a data, so they'll ask you to work on joins, or they'll ask you to merge two account using joins. So that is the thing that is required from you, not the all of that DSA or everything. So I'd say yeah, you can completely go for this job if you are willing to. So yeah, this is the video for it, and I hope you guys are doing well in your life, and I hope you find this video helpful. So yeah, thank you, bye bye, take care.